Whether you're in high school, college, or prepping for grad school, 2025 is the year to stop studying harder and start studying smarter with AI. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 of the most powerful AI tools that every US student should be using right now to boost productivity, reduce stress, and hit academic goals faster. Let's get into it. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI. This AI does everything from explaining tough concepts in plain English to generating essay drafts to tutoring you in calculus or even coding. Just drop in your question like, explain photosynthesis like I'm 16, or give me 3 essay ideas about the Great Gatsby, and boom, you get clear, relevant responses instantly. It's like having a tutor, a writer, and a study buddy all rolled into one. Second is Grammarly, which now has AI features that go far beyond spell check. It can help you rewrite entire paragraphs for clarity, tone, and flow, especially useful for essays, resumes, and cover letters. If English isn't your strongest subject, or you're working on a college app, Grammarly's AI helps you sound polished, not robotic. Coming in third, Notion AI. This one's a game changer for organizing your study life. Imagine a digital notebook that not only stores your notes, but actually helps you summarize them, generate study guides, and even brainstorm project ideas. You can paste in messy lecture notes, and Notion will turn them into neat, readable summaries or flashcards in seconds. Next is Khanmigo, Khan Academy's AI-powered tutor. This is made specifically for students, especially in the US, and it aligns with national academic standards. It walks you through math problems, writing feedback, and science explanations step by step, without just giving you the answers. At number 5 is Quizlet with AI. You've probably used Quizlet before, but now it uses AI to generate personalized flashcards, quizzes, and even mock tests based on what you're learning. It adapts to your weak spots, helping you study more efficiently and retain more. Let's talk productivity. Reclaim.ai is like a smart planner for busy students. It connects with your Google Calendar and automatically blocks out time for studying, breaks, meals, even gym sessions, based on your class schedule and deadlines. If time management's your biggest struggle, this app will seriously help you stay balanced. And finally, let's not forget mental health. Woebot is an AI-powered chatbot designed by psychologists to help students manage stress, anxiety, and burnout. It's not therapy, but it's a confidential, judgment-free way to vent, reflect, and even learn CBT techniques during tough times. AI isn't here to replace students. It's here to empower you. From writing essays and mastering algebra, to organizing your life and checking in on your mental health, these 7 tools are like your digital support team. Let me know in the comments which of these tools you've tried or which one you're most excited to explore. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a classmate who needs an upgrade in 2025.